What if Ottoman Empire is again restored? What will happen then? Yavuz Selim Osmanoğlu will be the next sultans of this empire, because the Turkish nation is a jihadi nation of Muslims. The Ottoman Empire was one of the most significant and powerful empires in history, which lasted for over 600 years until its collapse in the aftermath of World War I. If the Ottoman Empire were to be restored, it would have significant implications for the world. Here are some potential scenarios if the Ottoman Empire were to be restored. Political implications. The restoration of the Ottoman Empire would mean the re-establishment of a powerful Muslim state in the Middle East. This could have implications for regional politics and could potentially shift the balance of power in the region. Cultural implications. The Ottoman Empire was known for its rich cultural heritage, which included architecture, literature, and art. The restoration of the Ottoman Empire could lead to a resurgence of Ottoman culture and traditions. Economic implications. The Ottoman Empire was once a major economic power, with control over important trade routes and access to valuable resources. The restoration of the Ottoman Empire could lead to increased economic activity in the region and could potentially impact global markets. Geopolitical implications. The Ottoman Empire once spanned across multiple continents, including Europe, Asia, and Africa. The restoration of the Ottoman Empire could potentially lead to a shift in global power dynamics, with implications for the international community. Along with this, if the Ottoman Empire is re-established, 43 countries of the world will be included in it. And it was also possible that it would have become a superpower because the Turkish nation is a jihadi nation of Muslims. It's important to note that the restoration of the Ottoman Empire is highly unlikely in today's political climate. The modern nation-states that currently exist in Turkey have established their own political and economic systems, making it difficult to envision a scenario in which the Ottoman Empire could be restored. And finally, let me tell you that if the Ottoman Empire is re-established, who will be its sultan? And surely this question must have come to your mind. Friends, if the Ottoman Empire is re-established, its sultan will be Harun Osmanoğlu, the great-grandson of the great Sultan Abdülhamid II, and after him his son Orhan Osmanoğlu, and after him his son Yavuz Selim Osmanoğlu will be the next sultans of this empire. So hope guys video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.